Hello dear friends, today I'm unboxing another special edition, a Singer Porsche Winter Edition from Pop Race. As always, I try to keep my unboxing videos short. We'll get straight to the point and unpack the beautiful car. The paintwork of this Porsche is similar to the Targa Porsche from the last unboxing video. Nice paint job, but it's a matter of taste. I'll put the suitcase away because it's just placed on top, it's not glued or anything. I'll check the underbody right away. So I can't complain about the workmanship and the details. Everything very fine and clean. Now the rear. A question for you, is it normal that the exhaust is crooked? I noticed that in the last unpacking video. The other one also had an exhaust like that. You can simply place the suitcase on top if you like. Nice idea from Pop Race. Beautiful brown interior, my favorite color for leather seats. Look at the rims, very good work. They turn easily. Do you know the problem that sometimes they are difficult to turn? It's not like that here. Comment to me what you think about the car and the design. I read every comment. Thank you and see you soon.